Hello everyone. Grabe 'to si BBM. Nag-joke na nga lang, hindi pa talaga tama at hindi pa talaga nakakatawa. As in, guys, minak niya yung Senate. Eto ha, panoorin natin. Pakinggan niyo kung matatawa ba kayo sa joke na 'to.
To the surroundings of former President and Pampanga 2nd District Representative Gloria Macapagal Arroyo, Senate President Cheese Escudero, and the honorable members of the Senate who are apparently now applying to be included in the Supreme Court.
Who are now apparently applying to become a part of the Supreme Court. Tingnan niyo.
Nagkaroon lang ng autonomy. Gusto niyo na mag-Supreme Court. Paano naman? How
Gusto niya daw nagkaroon lang daw ng ano 'yan, autonomy. Gusto niya ng maging Supreme Court. Sinabi ba 'yun ng Senate na gusto nilang maging Supreme Court? Ewan ko 'to sa kanya.
will Cheese pass his legislation? Speaker of the House Ferdinand Martin Romualdez, the honorable members of the House of Representatives, Chief
Kawawa
Justice
tuloy
Alexander
si Cheese.
Gasmundo, and the Honorable Associate Justices
Ito,
of the
panoorin
Supreme
natin
Court.
ulit ha. Panoorin natin ulit yung video.
To the surroundings of former President and Pampanga 2nd District Representative Gloria Macapagal Arroyo, Senate President Cheese Escudero, and the honorable members of the Senate who are apparently now applying to be included in the Supreme Court. Nagkaroon lang ng autonomy. Gusto niyo na mag-Supreme Court. Paano naman? How will Cheese pass his legislation? Speaker of the House Ferdinand Martin Romualdez, the honorable members of the House.
So yun na nga. Oh, ito yung shinare kasi ito ni Rob Rances. Ito yung ano niya, yung caption niya dito. So PBBM mocks the Senate just because they upheld the Supreme Court's ruling and archived an unconstitutional impeachment. Then maybe the real problem isn't in the Senate. Maybe it's a breakdown in his executive functioning and cognitive appraisal. The core brain systems that should process facts, grasp legal reality, and make sound judgments. If those neural circuits are misfiring, no wonder the narrative is upside down. Or maybe this only unmasks who's really pulling the strings behind the impeachment drama while pretending he's got nothing to do with it. Oh, 'di ba? Totoo, parang talagang hindi niya mapigilan na talagang sobrang konseme na siya na ginawa ng Senate 'yun, 'di ba? Gusto niya lang talagang magbuka, he's nothing to do with it. Walang ayaw ni BBM yung impeachment na 'yan, pero deep inside talaga guys, 'yun ang gusto niyang mangyari, 'di ba? Ma-impeach si VP Sara. Eto nag-comment tuloy si Joey Cruz. Sabi ni Joey De Vivre every other day, sabi niya. Kahit sa joke, olats. 'Di ba? Totoo naman talaga, eh. Nagjo-joke ba 'yun? Parang hindi naman yata 'yun joke, eh. Sabi naman ni Ernie Salvatos Campita, mahirap po kasing magkunwari na he has nothing to do with the impeachment and all the sinister plans for the Dutertes. He's holding back at baka maging obvious masyado. And he thinks we can't read between the lines. Correct. Akala talaga siguro nila 'no na mga bobo, sobrang nakakabobo na yung mga Pilipino. No, dati siguro nung wala pang social media pero ngayon guys, no more. Hindi na alam na ng mga Pilipino, wais na yung mga Pilipino ngayon. Sabi naman ni Janzen Dean Rodriguez, parang malakas pa tama ng tawas sa kanya. Sabi naman ni Dongy Mato, "Di ka nga maka-reply ng matino, waley. Talaga hugot ni Bangag Jr. to destroy the Duterte for good." Correct. Sabi naman ni Rodel, WTF, kailangan pa niyang sabihin yun? Weakest of the weak, sabi nga ni FPRRD. Correct. Walang benta yung joke. Sabi ni Neil Molina, palagi siyang ganyan, trying hard. Feeling ko idol niya si PRRD. So sorry, wala siyang humor na meron si PRRD. Yung pasok sa banga, lalo na sa mga masa. Alam na alam mo kung sino ang fake. Oo, yung diferensya kasi nila, si PRRD ay talagang makamasa, makapilipino. Ito wala eh, New Yorker to eh. So, ibig sabihin New Yorker or elites, yung mga kasama nila mga ano yan, eh, mga seryoso, tas mga ewan ko lang baka mga ngagba din tapos alam mo yun, so hindi talaga sila marunong sa masa kaya yan. So, parang alam yung pinipigilan na lang niya 'no, kahit kahit na obvious naman talaga. May tama siya diyan for sure, sabi ni She TV. Sabi naman ni Nena Ayag, hilaw nga. Sabi naman ni Lende Melatro, need dalhin sa talyer parang nakalawang na mga tornilyo sa utak at puso niya. Sabi ni Jing Quintanar, joke pala yun, parang offensive joke yun correct. Offensive talaga, hindi naman parang joke yun eh. Galing yun sa puso niya, guys. Alam nyo, lahat ng lumalabas sa baba natin, galing yan sa puso. Oo, so gustong-gusto niya yung impeachment, kaya niya minamak yung mga Senate, 'di ba? When a clown, sabi ni Luis Harder, when a clown moves into a palace, he does not become a king. The palace becomes a circus. Elizabeth Banks. When cocaine molecules are messing with his neurons. Sabi ni RJ HB. Sabi naman ni Rex Centeno, Cheese was obviously amused judging by his smirk. The joke and I couldn't laugh, ang slow ko. Awkward moment ni Cheese and Tambi sitting alongside each other. Yun nga yung pinaka-awkward eh, si Tambi tsaka si Cheese magkatabi guys, knowing, 'di ba, knowing na yung anong tawag dun? Alam yung demolition job na ginagawa ni Tambaluslos ngayon kay Cheese Escudero, 'di ba? Tapos magkatabi sila. Iba talaga 'no, sa politics, sobrang fake talaga. Alam mo yung totoo talaga yung sabi ni VP Sara na ayaw niya kumuha ng mga ninang na politician kasi hindi mo alam kailan mo tatraydurin yung anong tawag dun? Balae, ay hindi balae yun 'no, anong tawag dun? Yung parang kumare mo, yun. Hindi mo alam kung kailan mo tatraydurin. So, better 'wag na lang talaga kumuha ng mga ano 'no, na pulitiko, mga ninang at saka ninong. Naku guys, anong masasabi niyo dito? Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel at mag-comment na rin kung anong masasabi niyo. Have a great day. God bless. Bye.